Don't sell until this Thursday. Silver breaks its year-long curse. We have a heavy data day coming this Thursday, a bundle of economic indicators that is coming straight for the price of silver. Yes, it's been a full year that silver has been stuck at $32, $33 an ounce, but check out what's coming this Thursday. We have data being released for GDP, that's gross domestic product. The Bureau of Economic Analysis, BEA, they will release the second estimate of GDP for the first quarter 2025. And what we need to be looking for silver is that stronger than expected GDP growth could lead to a stronger US dollar. And when that happens, we have the potential of lowering silver prices. While if the opposite happens, weaker growth could have the opposite effect and we get a boost in silver price. So I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just saying these are the patterns we need to look for. And these are the indicators that are coming out Thursday. So this is what I wait and watch for. Look, I'm telling you, this is a heavy data day. We also have corporate profits for first quarter. And this information coming out offers insights into the health of the corporate sector. So rising corporate profits may signal economic strength, potentially impacting investor sentiment, and that impacts silver demand. Look at this one. We have PCE coming out, and this is for inflation. This is for first quarter 2025 personal consumption expenditures. Right? This is how inflation is hitting us and how strong the thumb is on inflation. So core PCE, it's the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge. This is what they're always looking at. If we have higher than expected inflation readings, this could increase demand for silver and, of course, push that price up. We also have the other tangible asset coming out Thursday. I'm telling you, Thursday is a big data day. The other tangible asset, of course, is real estate. We have metals and we have real estate. Those are your options for tangible assets. And on Thursday, we have the pending home sales for April. The National Association of Realtors, they release their data for pending home sales from April. And this indicator reflects the housing market and the strength of the housing market. And that can influence economic outlooks. It can indirectly influence silver prices because anyone who is sitting on their nest egg ready to jump in on their first house, if they're not ready, if the housing market is not working for them, that tangible asset is not working for them, they could put that into the safe haven of metals. Check out that PCE data coming out, GDP coming out, housing data coming out. These are key for the price of silver. And get your own silver. Click the link in the description of this video. Money Metals is sponsoring this channel. They're holding this contest, giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. Get that silver, 20 American Silver Eagles. You should be the next winner on that list. Click that link, get in on it, and I'll see you in the next video.